Icon series.
You see children here, subtraction with the zeros. Basing on that statement, let us take one example. What is that example here? One example you take now. Subtract 45,678. Subtract 45,678. 45,678 from 90,000. From 90,000. So here, subtraction with zeros. Subtraction with zeros. That's why here, with the zeros, I selected a number 90,000. From 90,000, we subtract 45,678. Look at it. In the subtraction, from the bigger number, we subtract a smaller number. So 90,000, right? From 90,000, we subtract 45,678. 45,678. Subtraction. That means minus. Subtraction means minus. Okay. Now here you see, here this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Here all zeros I kept here. See, zeros are there. Subtraction with zeros. That's why here, big number, under the big number, we write to small number. Now we go for subtraction. We can't subtract 8 from 0. We can't subtract 8 from 0. So take borrow. From its before place, take borrow. So here, this 0 is taking borrow, that's why here. Okay. So 0 becomes 10. 0 becomes 10. And here 9 we get here. 0 it cannot give borrow. That's why from the last place we will get from the last place we get to borrow. 9 can give borrow, but here these are all zeros. Zeros cannot give borrow. That's why the borrow comes from the last, that means 9. From this 9, borrow comes. We can get borrow from the last one. Why? Because these are all zeros. From zeros we can't get zeros cannot give borrow. That's why from the last place here we can get borrow. So 9 has given the borrow. 9 has given the borrow here. That means 9 gave borrow, no, that's why here 8 only. We get 8 only. Now you see here 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 9 minus 7 is 2. Here also 9 minus 6 is 3. Here 9 minus 5 is 4. Here 8 only. Why? Because 9 only gave borrow. That's why here 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 44,322. 44,322. Okay, students. Like this, we subtract. Subtraction with zeros. From 90,000, 45,678 is subtracted. Here particularly subtraction with zeros you have to observe. So zeros here they can't give borrow. Borrow came from which place? From 10,000 plus borrow came. That's why here 9 only gave borrow. That's why here cancel 9 and here write 8 too. Write 8. Why? Because 9 gave borrow. That's why here 8 we write. In all in the places of zeros we write 9. In all zeros. Above we write 9s only. Now 0 minus 8 not possible. That's why subtraction not possible. 8 cannot be subtracted from 0. So taken borrow. That's why here 10 minus 8 2. Okay. Here 9. 9 minus 7 2. 9 minus 6 3. 9 minus 5 4. Here 9 give borrow. That's why 8 only. 8 minus 4 4. Like this we do the subtraction. Now, let us go for that last one. Checking subtraction by adding. Checking subtraction by adding. See, to check the answer to subtraction problem, what I told here, we add the difference. We add the difference to the subtract to get to minuend. Minuend is equal to subtrahend plus difference. Subtrahend plus difference. For example, you see a small example, let us study checking subtraction. Checking subtraction by adding. I told you the number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. This is subtrahend. Here what is the subtrahend? What is the subtrahend here? 45,678. Okay, that is the subtrahend. What is the difference here? What is the difference here? 44,320. That is subtrahend. Now, find the minuend. Minuend, how can you get minuend? Add the difference to the subtrahend. Subtrahend less difference. By adding these two, we can get a minuend. Okay, children. Subtrahend is 45,678 plus. What is the difference here? 44,320. Add the two numbers. 45,678 plus 44,320. 320. Add. Okay. 8 plus 2 is 10. Write 0 here. 1 is to be carried out. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 0. 1 is to be carried out here. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Write 0 here. 1 is to be carried out. Now 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 4 10. So write 0 here. 1 is to be carried out. Now 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 90,000. So that is equal to 90. This is the minute. So by adding subtract and difference, we get a minute. So this is the checking subtraction by adding. By adding, here subtraction is checked. Subtraction is checked. Children, now we are entering into the exercise 2.4. So to get practice in the subtraction problems, better to solve some problems in exercise 2.4. Subtract the following in each case. Check the answer by addition. You can check the answer by addition. Subtract the following. So, in this section A, we are taking the second problem in the section A. The sum is like this. That means units, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 58,732. Okay, from this number, subtract 26,582. So subtract 26,582 from 58,732. Okay, this number is to be subtracted from this number. So here, in this subtraction, we write the numbers one below the other, and okay, which number is taken first? The bigger number is to be taken first. From the bigger number, we subtract the smaller number. So, we write here 58,732. Under this, you write 26,580. Subtract. Okay, you know places. What are the places here? Ones place, unit, that means home is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. This is the bigger number. This is the smaller. Right. Now, which number is subtracted here? Which number is subtracted? 26,582. It is to be subtracted. This is called subtract. This is called the subtract. From which number that is subtracted from which number? 58,732. This is called minus. Okay. After subtraction, we get a result. That is called difference or remainder. Here we get a difference. Difference or remainder. Okay. Now go for subtraction. First of all, take the units place. Units place digits are what? 2 here, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Now, can you subtract 8 from 3? Can you subtract 8 from 3? No, we can't subtract 8 from 3. So, take borrow from the before place, you take borrow. That means from the hundreds place, you take a borrow. Here 7 is giving borrow. That's why here 7 becomes 6 only. Why? Because 7 is giving borrow. That's why 7 becomes 6 only. And 3 is getting borrow from the before place. That's why 3 becomes 13. 3 becomes 13. Because we are asking borrow now. That's why borrow means here 10. 10 plus here 3. 10 plus here 13. 3 becomes 13. 7 becomes 6. Now here see 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8. 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. Now here, come to 100 place. Here 6 is there. 6 minus 5, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. Now come to 1000 place. Here 8, here 6. 8 minus 6, 2. Now come to 10,000 place. 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, this is the difference. 32,150. This is the difference. Now, check this one. You can check the division one. Check. How can you check your subtraction problem? We add the difference to the subtrahend. Add the difference to the subtrahend, then we get minus. So we add subtrahend and difference. Subtrahend. What is the subtrahend here? 26,580. What is the difference? What is the difference here? 32,150. Now add these two plus add. By adding what we get here? Dividend. By adding what we get here? Minus we get. Here we are adding the subtraction and difference. Add difference to the subtrahend. Then we get minus. Okay, children. Now see add. 2 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 5 is 13. Write 3 here. 1 is the carried 100. Now 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Now here 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 3, 5. 58,732. We got the minus. This is got a minus. This is the minus. So you can check the subtraction sum. To check your subtraction sum, what you did? Difference is added. Difference is added to the subtract. We got a minus. Like this. Okay. Did you all follow, children? Nice. Now come to solve the following. Solve the following. This is the section B. In section B, solve the following. Second question, see. What is the second question? Find the difference between 23,000 and 9,999. How much difference is there between these two? Difference we have to find. Here, what is the bigger number here? In the two numbers, 23,000. This is 23,000. This is the bigger number. What is the smaller number? 9,999. 9,999. This is 23,000. So, difference is to be calculated. Difference means what here? Minus. Difference means minus. That's why here we do subtraction. From the bigger number, we subtract a smaller. So, write 23,000. Solution. 23,000. From this, subtract 9,999. Right side. Okay, see. For this problem, we are calculating the difference. Difference means what? Minus. Subtraction. Here minus. Minus symbol we use for difference. So here difference we are calculating. So here subtraction. Subtraction. Can you subtract 9 from 0? We cannot subtract 9 from 0. That's why ask borrow from its before place. But here before what are there? Zeros are there. They can't give borrow. That's why the borrow comes from 3. That means from thousands plus borrow will come. So 3 can give borrow. 3 can give borrow. Zeros cannot give borrow. Because it has no value. That's why zeros can't give borrow. So we can get borrow from the thousands place. Here in the thousands place, what is there? 3 is there. Now 3 is giving the borrow. That's why 3 becomes 2. 3 becomes 2. Here now 10. 10 minus 9, 1. So here borrow we got, no, that's why here 9 only. Here also we get 9 only. 3 only gave borrow, that's why here strike 3 and we write 2 here. Because 3 gave borrow, 3 gave borrow, that's why 3 becomes 2 and here 9 we write. Here first of all what? Borrow. Borrow means here 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Here 9 is there. 9 minus 9, 0. Here also 9 minus 9, 0. Now here, can you subtract 9 from 2? Can you subtract 9 from 2? We cannot subtract. So take borrow from its before place. Borrow is 10. So 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 gave borrow, that's why I strike off 2, 2 becomes 1. 2 becomes 1 because 2 has given borrow. That's why. Here borrow taken, that's why 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9, here how much? 3. Here 1 is there. Okay, 13001. 13001. That is the difference. That is the difference. Okay, once again say 0 minus 9 not possible. That's why ask borrow from its before place. Borrow means 10. So 10 minus 9, 1. Here 0 becomes 9. 0 becomes 9. And here borrow came from this place. That's why 3 becomes 2. 3 becomes 2. Now here 9 minus 9, 0. Here also 9 minus 9, 0. Here what is there? Here 2 is there. But we cannot subtract 9 from 2. That's why we ask borrow from its before place. That's why here 2 becomes 12 and here 2 becomes 1. So 12 minus 9, 3 and here 1 is there. So that one as is good. So the next one. Subtract 12,345 from 50,000. So from which number we have to subtract here? From 50,000 we have to do subtraction. What is to be subtracted here? 12,345 is to be subtracted. From which number? From 50,000. That's why we write 50,000 first. Under this we write 12,345. So this is the big number, this is the small number. From the big number we subtract the small number. So we get the difference. Now you do subtraction like this. Can you subtract 5 from 0? We cannot subtract 5 from 0. That's why ask borrow from its before place. Here 0 Zeros can't give borrow. That's why we can get to borrow from 10,000 place. That means here 5 is there. From this number 5, we can get borrow. So 5 is giving borrow here. 5 is giving borrow. That's why here 5 becomes 4. So here 5 is not subtracted from 0. That's why we asked to borrow. That's why here 0 becomes 10. The remaining zeros becomes 9. 9. 0 becomes. The remaining zeros becomes 9. And here 5 becomes 4. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 0 above 9 is there. 9 minus 4, 5. Here 9 minus 3, 6. Here 9 minus 2, 7. And here what is there? 4 is there. 4 minus 1 is 3. 37,605. That is the difference between 50,000 and 12,345. Okay, children. So here you have to understand zeros cannot give borrows. Zeros cannot give borrows. That's why we can get borrow from the 10,000 place here. From 5 we got borrow. That's why here first of all borrow means what here? Borrow means getting borrow means we get 10. That's why here first I wrote 10 here. And the remaining zeros I wrote 9. And here 5 becomes 4. Why? Because 5 only gave borrow to the other teams. That's why here 5 above here 5 becomes 4. Now here 10 minus 5, 5. Here 9s are there. No, so 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. Here 4 is there. 4 minus 1 is 3. 37,655. That is the difference. This is the difference. Okay, students. Now come to the next one. Okay. See, children. Now we are going to study some word problems in this exercise. Some word problems are there in this exercise. See here in the section C, second problem. What is the second problem? In an election, candidate A got 3,642 votes less than candidate B. If candidate B got 3,85,642 votes, how many votes did candidate A get? That is the question. In this problem, candidate B, how many votes got by the candidate B? Clearly it is there, see. If candidate B got 3,85,642 votes, that much of votes got by candidate B. That is the first step we take here. Votes got by candidate B is equal to 3,85,640. Okay, so votes got are secured also it is. Votes got by candidate A. Votes got by candidate A. How many votes? Candidate B. First of all, we mention B. Okay, children. Votes got by candidate B. How many votes secured by B here? 3,85,642. Okay, 3,85,642 votes got by candidate B. Now come to A. About A, what he mentioned in the problem, candidate A got 3,642 votes less. That much of votes less he got than candidate B. So, lesser number of votes, so how many he got? 3,642. Words less. So less words, here number of also you can write. Number of less words A got is equal to 3642. So 3642 less words A got. So now words got by A, to get this we subtract 3642, okay, from 3,85,640. Because less he got, no? The problem he told A got this much of words less than candidate B. This much of words he got less. So, to know the words secured by the candidate A, what we have to do? That less words we have to subtract from 3,85,640. So here what we write here, words, number of words got by A is equal to, we subtract 3,642, from 3,85,640. 3,85,640. From that we subtract 3,642. Why we are subtracting 3,642? Because here A is getting 3,642 less words than the candidate B. That's why 3,642 we subtract. If we subtract 3,642 from B, we can get the words secured by A. So do the subtraction now. Show the subtraction. In the margin, we can show the subtraction. Okay, see, 3,85,642. From this we subtract 3,642 according to the place values. Places we write the numbers and subtract. Minus, subtract. See children here. First of all, show the subtraction in the units place. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now here, 5 minus 3, 2. Under 8, no number. That's why 8 only as it is we write. Under 3 also here, no number. That's why 3 as it is. That means 3,82,000. 3,82,000. Okay, children. So, how many votes secured by candidate A is equal to what you have to say? 3,82,000. 3,82,000. Okay, like this we solve the problem. Now come to this. What is the fourth problem here? 70,000 copies of a book have to be printed and bound. In a week, 34,560 books were completed. How many are left? So in this problem, how many copies of a book have to be printed and bound? This much of copies, 70,000 copies, okay, ordered. How many copies were ordered? 70,000 copies of a book, okay, have to be printed. Order is given for 70,000 copies. But what happened here? In a week, 34,560 books were completed. Only 34,560 books only completed. Remaining books not completed, not printed and not bound. How many are left? So, we should do subtraction. Completed copies we subtract. How many copies were completed? If we subtract that one from 70,000, then we get how many are left. So here, order is given for 70,000 copies. So, order given for 70,000. Order given for 70,000. 70,000 copies have to be printed. Okay, this much of copies were ordered. Order given for 70,000 copies. Order given for 70,000. Okay. 70,000 copies. But how many books were completed? Only 34,560 books only were printed. So, number next to in a week, completed books. In a week, completed books. How many books were completed here? 34,560. 560. Only these books were completed. So, books left. How many books were left? So, books left is equal to books left. Books left is equal to subtract. Okay, 70,000 minus 34,560. 34,560. So, did you all understand, children? The order is given for how many books here? 70,000 books. Order given for 70,000 books. But only how many books were completed? 34,560 books only completed in a week. Still, how many books are left over? So, to find this, what we do here? We do subtraction. The completed copies we subtract from the ordered copies. That means 70,000 minus 34,560. Now we show the subtraction in the margin. Okay. Subtraction. 70,000 minus 34,560. Subtract. Okay. Then, here 0 minus 0, 0. This is 1's place, this is 10's place, 100's place, 1000's place, 10,000's place. Units, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Subtraction. So, 0 minus 0, 0. Now come to Tens place. Can you subtract 6 from 0? No. We cannot subtract 6 from 0. How the 0 can give borrow? 0, it cannot give borrow. That's why the borrow we can get from this 7. From this 7 we can get a borrow. That means 7 is giving borrow to all the remaining, that means to the, here for all these zeros, so 7 can give the borrow. Zeros cannot give borrow. That's why we are getting borrow from 7. So 7 becomes here, 7 becomes 6. 7 becomes 6. Here, first of all, we are asking borrow. Borrow means here 10. Here 10. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now here we get 0 becomes 9. Here 0 becomes 9. 7 becomes 6. 7 becomes 6. Once again see here 0 minus 0, 0. Here 6 cannot be subtracted from 0. That's why here we are taking borrow from the before place. That's why here borrow means 10. That's why here we write 10 here. Okay. And above the zeros we write 9. Why? Because here we are taking borrow, that's why 9s we write here. From 7 we got borrow. That's why here 7 becomes 6. Now you see here. Okay. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now 9 minus 5, 4. Here 9 minus 4, 5. Here 6 is there, 6 minus 3, 3. 35,000. How much? 35,440. So 35,440 books left. Still the company has to produce 35,440 copies. Okay, children, in this problem, actually order is given for 70,000 copies, but the company completed only 34,560 books only. How many are left means here we have to show the subtraction. That's why from 70,000, 34,560 is subtracted. I showed the subtraction here. This is the borrowing subtraction. After subtraction, how much we got? 35,440. 35,440. This much of copies, still the company has to be prepared. Okay, the company has to be produce 35,440 books. Okay, like this we solve the working problem. Now we go to one more working sum.